Okay guys, today I'm making a return trip, but on my own, to the St. Francis Dam. I'm going to be taking my bicycle so I can go a little farther, get there a little faster, and get my bicycling in today. If you remember, and I'll make a link to the episode that I did with Lauren Parker and John Salami, where I did a whole thing about the St. Francis Dam episode and the horrible things that happened with the flood.
The dam was right here. If you look across the canyon, do you see that pipe there? That was where the dam attached to that side of the wall. We're going to see probably some of the largest chunks of the dam.
This is Heartbreak Corner over here.
This is the guy who founded the cemetery.
I just want to see if it's changed in the last year and a half or whenever it was that I did that. Let's go check it out. This is one of the many entrances to the dam area. There's like a whole ridge line up there. If you can see it, where basically the water came up to, it was pretty frickin' insane. Anyway, this little trail leads down, and so let's go for it. this way too. Definitely a haven for snakes. Lips are chapped again. I feel like there's more to explore kind of on that side. So let's see what we can find. Big cracked rock over there. Be careful trying to hold this with one hand. Wow, how do you get there? How do you get to that tunnel?
I'm not here.
So the Skydio did a really good job. I want to mess around with the height where there's no like height ceiling or whatever. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Ring that bell so you get notifications. Like Rikki always says, take care of each other and keep rock alive.